Okay, hello everyone. This is the Group 54 report. Our program name is Solid Maps. Our instructor is Dr. Fahelia Rossi. They are my group members, Ma Yiming, Chen Shekang, Zhang Zhaofan, and Lu Shiqi. So, this context, and we have 5 parts to this. We have 5 parts to this present. Next, let me introduce the first part. Okay, the first part is product overview. This report is about the F phototype named SellyMap. F phototype is one of the important stages when developing a system or application. The objectives of SellyMap apps are maps, navigations, and text handling. It is very important to have versatile maps software in Malaysia. It can integrate many functions. Advantages of the feature offered, such as providing a precise navigation system, address selection, and a taxi hailing system to provide users with more practical service.
The first function is login. Users can log in by phone number or other ways, such as email. This information is convenient for users to log into their accounts quickly. The next is navigation. It can provide more current routes and a more concise interface, making it more convenient and efficient for users to use. The third function is account. User can see their recent trips, favorite addresses, and the information they have uploaded. Next is nearby. User can see popular attractions and buildings nearby. They can also share their own experiences and reviews here. The last is taxi. User can book a vehicle or can directly request one. The map provides multiple payment options, making it convenient for users to make online payment.
Heuristic analysis of props interface design. First, multiple login methods. Single login method has low security and it's easy to forget. We provide multiple login methods for users to choose from. Second, user control and freedom. Each of our interfaces can be returned through the mobile phone navigation keys or through the return key in the UI interface. Third, consistency and standards. The color theme of the entire system is unified. All font sizes and formats conform to the page layout, and the user of icons conforms to the actual situation. Fourth, error prevention. If the task fails to be performed according to the prescribed process, the system will display an error, and the system will prompt the user with the correct steps and guide the user to the next step. Fifth, aesthetic and minimalist design. The overall design style is mainly bright colors, simple and elegant, and easy to use.
Investigation, questionnaire and questionnaire feedback results. Questionnaire. In order to understand the usage of this program, we designed a rigorous questionnaire and hope that this questionnaire can give us a direction for adjustment. Questionnaire surveys include but are not limited to interface layout and usage. Questionnaire feedback results. According to the results of the questionnaire survey, most people think that the setting map is well designed and fully functional. conclusion. Overall, the SaliMap project has succeeded in designing a user interface that not only meets the basic criteria of simplicity and easy of learning, but it's also highly usable for users. Combined with a variety of restriction methods, map adjustment, address lookup, and taxi booking options. SaliMap offers both navigation and read hailing. However, in response to questions received by users, the development team continuously improves and remains committed to improving the user experience based on the valuable insights gleaned from the ongoing user feedback sessions. The introduction of enhanced features enables new functional applications to not only meet but also exceed user expectations to meet the unique needs of users not from different regions. Thank you for watching this video.